Smith & Wesson SD 40 VE with a few little upgrades. Got the 18-pound spring. Got the N-Carbo spring kit, trigger spring kit, Apex trigger. Got the laser, the chargeable laser. Got this Talon hand grip. So I've upgraded every spring in this gun. And it went from 8 pounds down to 3 pounds. Now it's probably down to like maybe 2.5, maybe 1.5 pounds. But I love this thing. I haven't had any problems with it. Would have went with the blue trigger, but they don't make them for them just yet, so I had to go with this. So
$1,750 cash allowance on most 2020 Equinox models, plus current competitive owners get an additional $750 cash allowance. See your Arkansas best Chevy dealer.
Nice, reliable gun, and I haven't had an issue with it yet. So thanks to N-Carbo for your springs, trigger spring kit, and thanks to Apex for your trigger. I love the way it looks.